Hello, I'm Jennifer Morris, CEO of the Nature Conservancy, a global environmental organization committed to creating a world where people and nature thrive. At TNC, we have a bold goal for our ocean. Along with our partners, we intend to conserve more than 10% of the world's ocean area by 2030. One way we are doing this is by unlocking funding for new marine protected areas and improved ocean protection and management across 238 million hectares of ocean through our Nature Bonds program. With projects in countries including the Seychelles, Belize, Barbados, Gabon, and the Bahamas, we've already helped protect an area larger than the entire Caribbean Sea. Additionally, I'm incredibly proud of the work that we have done to change practices in the way that tuna is harvested and brought to the market. Since 2021, we have partnered with the Republic of the Marshall Islands to disrupt the tuna supply chain, setting a new bar for sustainable fishing practices and ensuring that 100% of the profits from the tuna caught from Pacific Island tuna go back to the community. This year, TNC launched the Tuna Transparency Pledge, a global effort aimed to achieve 100% on-the-water monitoring of vessels in tuna supply chains by 2027. While the ocean faces serious and increasing threats, it is also one of our biggest allies against climate change and a lifeline for sustaining the planet. I will never forget visiting the pristine Palmyra Atoll, a low-lying coral island in the Pacific protected by the Nature Conservancy and the U.S. National Fish and Wildlife Service. Being immersed alongside these thriving coral reefs with abundant sharks and rich biodiversity was like seeing what the ocean used to be and what should look like today. Because after all, every second breath we take is thanks to the ocean. This is why I am a woman in ocean action.